Now, today we are going to discuss the integration of the type integral of f dash of x dx by f of x or dt by t, integral of dt by 3. This is nothing but just you want to check whether the derivative of the denominator is in the numerator or not. This is the thing you want to check. Again I am telling you, the derivative of the denominator if we have in the numerator, then we can write this can be integral dt by t. Then the answer for dt by t is log t. The derivative of this function, this is t. So derivative means dt. So dt, the derivative of the function occurs in the numerator. The function is occurring in the denominator means we can say the answer is log t. So the first problem is integral of 2x plus 5 divided by x square plus 5x minus 7 dx. So I am going to take this is t or f of x. Okay, so this is in the form of just listen the derivative of this function. What is the derivative differentiation of this function? 2x plus 5. So the derivative of the function, denominator function is there in the numerator, that is 2x plus 5. So this is this integration is our required format. So this is in the form of f dash of x dx by f of x, that is dt by t. So dt by t means what? If you take this is t is equal to x square plus 5x minus 7. Then what is dt? 2x plus 5 into dx. Therefore equation 1, this one I have taken as equation 1. So equation 1 can be written as integral of, instead of this 2x plus 5 dx I can write dt. This denominator I can write as t. So integration of dt by t is log t plus c. So again after integrating, just you want to replace t by x square plus 5x minus 7 plus c. Then the second question is integral of e power 3 log x by x power 4 plus 1 into dx. So this 3 I can take here. By the logarithmic power rule, this 3 I can take to the power of x. So e power log x cube. E power and log can be cancelled. The denominator is x power 4 plus 1. So I am getting x cube by x power 4 plus 1 into dx. This dx just like that I will write in the middle of this line. But it is understood that this dx is in the numerator only. Dx should not be in the denominator always. It should be in the numerator. So it understood that this dx is here x cube dx. So now just I want to substitute the denominator as t. T is equal to x power 4 plus 1. So what is dt? X power 4, the derivative of x power 4 is 4x cube into dx. So this 4, I want only the answer for x cube dx. Okay, here unnecessarily I am having 4 in the right hand side. So I want to take this 4 to the left hand side, that will be dt by 4, that will be equal to x cube into dx. So the first equation I can write as dt by 4 by t. This 4 is a constant, I can take outside 1 by 4. So integral of dt by t. So 1 by 4. So this is our format. Integral of dt by t is log t plus c. So after integrating, I want to replace again t by x power 4 plus 1. So 1 by 4 into log x power 4 plus 1. Now the third question is integral of e power 2x by e power 2x minus 2 into dx. Now I am going to take the denominator as t. E power 2x minus 2. T is equal to e power minus 2x, e power 2x minus 2. So what is dt? dt is nothing but e power 2x, and I want to again differentiate this 2x with respect to x. So I will get 2. So 2 e power 2x into dx. Here I have only e power 2x dx. I want only this answer. So that 2 is unnecessarily I am having. This 2 I am going to take to this side. So this will be dt by 2. That will be equal to e power 2x into dx. So the first equation is nothing but e power 2x dx by e power 2x minus 2. So this one I have taken as t. So instead of this e power 2x dx, I have dt by 2. This 1 by 2 is a constant. I am getting dt by t. So 1 by 2 log t, absolute value of t. So 1 by 2 into log of, instead of t I can substitute e power 2x minus 2 plus c. Now the fourth problem is integral log x whole cube by x dx. I am going to take t is equal to log x. So you should not take t is equal to x. So if you take t is equal to x, then the dt should be 1, right? 1 is not here. So we have to choose t value according to our f dash of x by f of x. That is, the derivative should be in the numerator. That is, the derivative should be with that same thing you should have. So t is equal to log x. So what is dt? dt is equal to 1 by x dx. So instead of this dx by x, this 1 by x dx I can write as dx by x. Okay. So this, instead of this dx by x, I can write dt. So this I can replace by t. So the first equation I will have integral of t cube dt. So integral of t cube dt is nothing but t power 4 by 4 plus c. So after integrating, I want to replace t by log x. So log x whole power 4 by 4 plus c. Now the fifth question is integral of 6x plus 7 by square root of 3x square plus 7x minus 1 into dx. So just you can check. If you take this as t, then dt is in the numerator. So if you take t means 3x square plus 7x minus 1. So what is the derivative of this 3x square plus 7x minus 1? 6x plus 7. So the derivative is in the numerator. The derivative is in the numerator. So I can take t as this one. So like this only you have to decide. You should decide. T is equal to 3x square plus 7x minus 1. So dt is equal to 6x plus 7 into dx. So the first equation will become integral of dt by root t. So root t I can write as t power minus 1 by 2, because the root t is in the denominator. I want to take to the numerator. This can be written as t power minus 1 by 2 dt. So what is the integral of x power n dx? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. The first formula I told you, no, that formula you should use. So t power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is nothing but 1 by 2, positive 1 by 2 by 1 by 2 plus c. So this 1 by 2, the one fraction divided by another fraction, I can write the denominator fraction as reciprocal. So I can take here. So 1 by 2 will become 2 into t power 1 by 2 plus c. This t power 1 by 2 is nothing but root t. So 2 root t plus c. After integrating, I want to replace t by 3x square plus 7x minus 1 plus c. So that's all.